Welcome to online class for class 12 computer science. Today I will discuss about passing a string in a function. Let's see an example. I am defining a function here def and name of the function is show message, and in this function I am defining parameters here. Username is a variable, act as a parameter in this function. So when you want to call this function, you need to pass a value for this username, colon, and then I am writing one statement, print hello username dot title. So in this function there is a statement which prints hello is a string, and then username means the value which is stored under username dot title is a built-in function. You know that this title function returns a string with title case, means each word begins with a capital letter. Now I am calling this function in my program show message, and I am providing a value for username Mohan Das. So when you call this function, you need to provide a value for that username. So Mohan Das is a value for this username. Now you can see that this Mohan Das string contains uppercase and lowercase letters. So this function will print hello username dot title. So this Mohan Das will convert it into a title case, means each word begins with a capital letter. Let's see an output. Hello Mohan Das. So you may have noticed that each word begins with an English capital letter. Let's take another example. I am defining a function def count characters. Again, username is a parameter in this function. I already told you that whenever you want to call this function, you need to provide a value for this parameter. I am writing one statement, print your name contains, print len username, print characters. So I have written a code for this function, and you know that when you call this function, the code written inside the function will execute. So there are 3 lines of code for this function. So this function also has a parameter username. When you call this function count characters in your program, you need to provide a value for this username. So when you provide a value for this username, this function will display a message your name contains an len. You know that len is also a built-in function. This function returns the number of characters in a string. So I'm calling this function in my program count characters. Now I am providing a value Mohandas Gandhi. So this string is assigned to this parameter, this variable, and this function will display a message your name contains an len username. So this len and a username, so username contains this string, You know that string is represented by double quotes or single quote in Python. So how many characters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 16 characters are there. Space is also a character. So this function will gives you an output. Your name contains 16 character. Let's see an output. Your name contains 16 characters. So this is how we can pass a string in a function. Keep watching my videos online to learn Python in a very easy way.